We're gonna make pancakes.
Christmas pancakes.
Yeah.
What kind of Christmas pancakes? Let's see. Christmas tree?
Yes, guys.
Which one's this one?
Snowflake?
Yes. Which one's this one?
No, don't say it. Just do like that.
Yes. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel Morris here, and we're doing another Advent vlog. Today is day 6. Kiari wanted to match and be fancy and make pancakes, so that's what we're doing.
Look at my beautiful hair.
Yeah, she wanted a half up, half down, like mommy, and our dress to be matching, right?
Yeah.
So we pulled out our best dress in our closet.
Yeah.
You ready? We're gonna make these pancakes from scratch.
Okay,
And
let me
after-
get the ingredients, okay, guys?
Put a thumbs up on this video and comment down below what you think I got before this video ends, because I'm gonna show you guys later, because it's Advent vlog and each day your girl got a gift. Okay, we have 2 bowls, one for our dry ingredients, one for our wet ingredients. First,
I'm doing the wet ingredients.
yes you are. Could you help me do the dry ingredients first?
Is that a dry one?
Yes. First, we're gonna do 1.5 cups of flour. Kiari's gonna pour it in for us.
In the big bowl?
Yes, in the big bowl. 1. Now the 1/2 cup, pour it in. Good job.
That's not a snack.
Baking powder is next. And we're gonna need,
This really good one, I can't.
okay,
Which-
that is
which
gonna
one?
be in
Which
the bowl, 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Good job.
2.
3. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna do a pinch of salt. I know this says seasoning salt, but it's actually just Himalayan salt. Now it's gonna be 2 tablespoons of sugar. Kiari's gonna pour it in for us. Pour it in, lovey. Good job. 1.
And then 2.
Good job. Dry ingredients, we're gonna put this bowl aside and do our wet ingredients. Kiari's gonna do the honors, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna do 1 cup and you're gonna do the 1/4 cup of milk, right, Mama? Do the 1/4 cup. Okay, pour it in on us. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla.
Okay.
Okay, you can do it. You pour it in. Good job.
Can I mix it?
No, not yet. We're gonna get a wooden spoon and mix it after.
Wooden spoon.
Okay, so I was supposed to use this to pour in the wet ingredients, but we've already done it. But this is the wet ingredients measuring cup. Now we're gonna do 1/4 cup of butter.
Stop.
You're gonna do it?
That's right. Egg.
Well, you're right for the next one. We're gonna crack the egg, okay? Ready? Wait, let mommy do this one because I don't want you to put any eggshells in.
Are you putting the eggshell? Did you put an eggshell in there?
Nope. I did.
I see an eggshell.
No, it's the egg yolk. This is the egg yolk, Mama. It's not the eggshell.
Okay.
Want to stir it
the
together?
egg. No.
Okay. Made a little well in the middle. Okay.
Let me pour it.
Well, you're gonna pour it a little bit at a time, okay? Okay, that's good. That's good. Wait. Slow your rolls there, Mom. Do you wanna put the rest in there? Put the rest in it.
And then I mix it.
Muscles, use those muscles. Yes. Okay, this is gonna be the consistency that you need for the pancake, okay? Do not overstir and do not understir. Okay, before I do anything, I'm gonna take, this is just filled with butter, melted butter, and I'm gonna line here and make sure it's easy to slip off. Those are my cookie cutters.
Cookie cutters?
Cookie cutters. And then I'm not gonna put too much mixture in it just because I don't want it to be too thick because it is gonna get fluffy on its own. So I'm just gonna make sure everything is, all the corners are filled so the shape comes out nice. And that's it. Maybe I should use a fork to do this so it's easier to get in the corner. Now you see those bubbles on top? It means it's time to flip it. And that tin is gonna be, this is gonna be really hot. So I'm taking this to flip it. Ooh, look how nice and golden that is. Okay. Oh, okay. This, that's because of the butter. So that slipped out so nice. There we go. Okay, and this one should be able to come out now too. So I'm just gonna, perfect. Now it's time to make some whipped cream. We're gonna use whipping cream, and let's open this up. We're gonna make it from scratch.
Let me
Are you gonna do the honors? Good job. That's good. That's good. Oh. We don't need the whole thing, lovey. We just need a little bit. Okay, wait. And then after, we're just gonna add some icing sugar.
Yes.
So you can use regular white sugar or icing
Mommy,
sugar.
let me do it. Spill it out.
Okay, I'm gonna do, no. You're gonna pour it in. I'm just gonna do that much. That's good.
Right?
I don't want it too sweet, so we're just gonna do a little bit. And all you do is just whip it until it's to your thickness. No. Okay, so now this is our whipped cream, and that is the texture you want. Okay? It is that easy. Isn't it yummy? Doesn't it look delicious? So if you made your whipped cream, this is a perfect time to just add a smidge on top.
That's a big
like
one.
that. And then
That's a big one.
and I have some frozen blueberries fresh blueberries that I washed last night and frozen. And then you just add a sprinkle on top. Do you want more blueberries? No? You want whipped cream? I'm gonna put a little bit on there. So this is how my pancake is looking. Lots of whipped cream and blueberries. No. Yum. Stop playing with my pancake. Play with your pancake. Play with your pancake. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. You know, This is day 6 of Advent vlog. Press the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment down below on what you think I'll be gifted next. Today's gift was my fave, skincare. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Say bye.
Good bye.
Say press the thumbs up button to like this video.
Pick up the like button after the video.
She's having too much fun in here.